Gosh, look at this Scindapsus pictus jade satin. It has grown super leggy, and in between the nodes here there are no leaves. The leaves are also getting smaller compared to the original size. What I need to do is to chop this up and propagate it. Before you cut it, make sure it's properly hydrated. So I'm going to leave a few leaves at the top and cut here. For the original plant, I'm just going to pour it back into the potting medium. So something like this. I'm sure more growth points will be activated. This is the vine that I cut off. Look how soft the new leaf is. So I'm going to cut off those nodes with leaves for water propagation. And this leafless one will be for stem propagation. Look, this already has some very good area roots. So going to water propagate these leaf cuttings. Just going to put them in this container of water. As for the stem cuttings, I'm going to root them in this rooting medium, a mixture of leca and some small pebbles. Make sure the area roots are submerged into the medium. Oh, this is a long one. I'm going to give it some water. And we are done.